the best first search, which is also known as. Which one of this is not a search algorithm terminologies? Which of the following is not a component of the problem? Which search is a searching algorithm used for traversing a weighted tree or graph? What is the primary objective of problem solving in artificial intelligence through searching? In problem solving, what does the term state space refer to? What is the primary purpose of the initial state in a problem solving search? Which search algorithm guarantees finding the solution with the fewest steps or the least cost in a tree or graph search? What is a heuristic function used for informed search algorithms? Which search algorithm may get stuck in an infinite loop if the state space has cycles? Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.